If any of you have little difficulty relating, I can give you one simple tip. Just go and talk to the deity in the temple, the Anandeshwara. You just talk to him like how you talk to me, freely. Casually you tell what do you want. Put any question or ask something. I challenge, within a week he will answer. He will respond. He's not just a stone. It is scientifically energized, individual, independent entity. Please understand. The process of infusing life into him has happened very systematically and scientifically. He is no more a stone or metal. He is an independent intelligent. You can go and play with it. You will understand. I invite you. I can even challenge you. You can just go and play with it. Talk to him, ask him something. He will respond. Understand? In 1 week you are not going to go away from here. I am not going to go away. It's not both of them are going to be here. You can ask me. I asked this thing, he is not responding. He does. He does. I have seen. I have seen. Even if he doesn't want to respond, he will tell you that. Please relax now. At least he will make that very clear to you. Means he is a living intelligence, independent intelligence. So if you just understand a little bit about this deity and the Vedic tradition, you will just enjoy this whole place. It's a heaven. It's a heaven. Because all the best things of Vedic tradition I have collected and making it available in one place. All the best things I am collecting and making it available in one place. Even the routine, it's the best thing. Please follow everything to the last instruction, because everything I have designed with so much of research. For example, morning neem juice. Morning they will be giving you 250 ml neem juice. Don't miss it. It will completely not only clean your system, body, it will make you so alive and active, you will not be sleeping during the session. Your ability to internalize the ideas will become so sharp. Don't say, oh, it is bitter. Just swallow. They'll give you little sesame seed balls also. It's a sweet. Just drink this and eat that. Then you will not feel the bitterness. Again, that sesame seed balls is the Siddha medicine. In India, we had a very ancient herbal medicinal tradition, which is the father of Chinese medicine. Please understand, Chinese medicine is from Tamil Nadu Siddha tradition. Bodhidharma, who is a Siddha from Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, went to China and spread this science. All the Chinese medicine and the basic formulas, if you see, they are unit. Where they measure the medicine and the diagnostic method, everything will be the Tamil Nadu Siddha tradition. You will be surprised. So this is the father of that Chinese medicine tradition. A very powerful tradition. So I have formally learnt the tradition, studied in my young age. Many things which I learnt, I am adding it with your diet. So please, even while you eat, take all the items and eat. Don't try to avoid some items, because I have made a special diet trying to give all the best things. Best way to eat this food is get everything, Mix it and finish it. Don't miss even one item, I am telling you. Because some item which you don't like, maybe the very important thing, you may not like one or two things taste. Don't miss. Because the whole thing is planned and done as per the Siddha tradition. And I have used a lot of herbs from the Ayurvedic tradition also. The spices and all that, many are from Ayurvedic and Siddha tradition. And one more thing I want to tell you, all the things we do, nothing has any side effect. No side effect or after effect. It will straight away bring health and clarity in your system. The Siddha tradition we have something called awakening the non-mechanical parts of the brain through the food and medicine, herbs. I have incorporated some of those things also in our food. So please try to eat everything. You will be provided plate made out of Ganga mud, Ganga sand. I'll sincerely recommend you eat in that. All our Swamis and Ashramites and Brahmacharis eat in that plate only. We bring specially from Calcutta in train. This time for inner awakening also I brought. Of course, we have option. If you want, you can have a steel plate, no problem. But actually this plate is more costly than steel plate. Because all the way from Calcutta it has to come by train. I sent our devotees. From here I sent him all the way to Calcutta and he brought the plate. Plate, cup, saucer, everything in Ganga Mati. Means Ganga mud. It's highly healthy and hygienic, especially if you put the hot rice on that mud plate, mix with the hand and eat. That's the best way to eat. I wanted all the Westerners to know, don't think these are all new for you. These are all 100% new for all Indians. All these fellows have lost their culture 80 years before. No, just ask how many Indians, how many of you ate in Ganga plate, tell me. See, not a single guy. We lost all these things. We lost all these things. And some days they will give you the banana leaf food. Please don't miss that. That is also again medicine. When the hot rice is put in the banana leaf, the change happens in the rice. It's very good for the health. So I am trying my best to get all the best things of the Vedic tradition. Yoga, Ayurveda, Siddha, Hatha Yoga, and meditation techniques, Tantra, and Siddha. Of course, Siddha I said. All the best things, I am making it available. Apart from this program, so please try to use all the things. And now I have come up with a unique fitness program mixing yoga, hatha yoga and modern day equipments to awaken your kundalini. I can tell them to show you the videos of my research and development. Working out in the modern day machineries, I have discovered many truths. What kind of workout awakens your kundalini? See, you are breathing full beam, 1200 breath, if it happens in your system, you can levitate within 10 days. As on now, in the nostril hole, only 30 to 40% volume air goes inside. If it becomes full beam, 100%, 1200 breath, once a day, 1200 breath, you can just levitate. That's the science of levitation, what our people experience, the Kundalini awakening. So I am making this happen in you with the help of yoga, hatha yoga and modern day equipments. You will all be given today dumbbells and everything. From tomorrow onwards, the morning it will start. Not just yoga, you will be doing yoga and hatha yoga practices and pranayama and using these modern day equipments. We have come up with our own brand called Yen Fitness. Please understand, it straight away builds your body and awakens your Kundalini. So please go through that morning fitness thing without missing. It's a 1.5 hour program. 2 cycle, 242 minutes. Don't miss it. Actually, after 2 days, you yourself will not feel like missing. Then one more unique addition this time is, every day we will take bath in the sacred water body. The Vaidya Sarovar, they would have given the introduction that Shivalinga is made out of herbs, Siddha herbs. And you can experiment if you want. Pour little milk on that Shivalinga and keep it. It will not get spoiled for 15 days. Ordinarily, milk will be spoiled within 15 hours. Just, I can tell our priest to do tomorrow or day after tomorrow some milk abhishekam. You guys can catch that milk which comes from that Shivalinga. Keep it in the bottle. 15 days it will not be spoiled. And water also. The water comes directly from Shivalinga, you can drink because it's a pure underground water poured on the Shivalinga. Please understand, the tank water is not circulated. No, that is, when it gets circulated with a ozone machine, it comes back to the tank. It doesn't go on the Shivalinga. On the Shivalinga, water we pour is a pure underground water, borewell water, and it naturally gets energized when it passes through Shivalinga. You can catch that water and drink. That's very good. But don't drink the water from the tank. The water on the tank is for taking bath. But water directly comes from Shivalinga, you can drink. You can catch 1 bottle water and keep it. For 6 months it will not be spoiled. So don't miss taking bath in the sacred water body. There is one more reason. Your blood volume average is 5 liters. If 100 times more water volume, if you enter into that and take bath, your blood will feel, your body will feel the pressure from all direction, subtle pressure, which makes the blood flow very clean. I'm just trying to translate a certain Tamil verse into English. If you take bath in the 100 times more voluminous than your body blood level, you see 5 liter blood. So if you take bath in 500 liter, at a time, means the water body, your blood circulation increases. If it is 1000 times, not only your blood circulation increases, it creates a certain rejuvenating effect in your system. That is the reason this sacred water body concept is prevalent all over the Vedic villages in India. All the villages built based on Vedic tradition will have this sacred water body where people go and take bath. So I sincerely request, don't miss that. Don't worry if you are having any fear, oh, some contagious diseases will come in the water, these, that, don't worry. One thing, that there is a machine which is continuously cleaning that water. Today actually they are cleaning for you guys only. They are emptying the whole tank. By tomorrow, I think they will finish the cleaning and then they will refill the fresh water. There is a machine which just through the ozone cleanses the water. And second thing, all the water gets filled after it comes through the Shivalinga. So that will have tremendous medicinal healing qualities. So don't miss even a single chance to jump into the Vaidya Sarovar healing pond. Srikant Iyer is asking a question. Do the benefits of bathing in the water body greater than blood volume apply to swimming in a pool? Yes. The physical effect of the, what I said yesterday, will happen even in an ordinary swimming pool. Here one step higher, the sacred effect also happens. This water is an energized, programmed water. Because it falls on the deity, it helps you to rejuvenate, and I can say that more spiritual angle.
Trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion, your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda, my life's become a meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection, Nityananda.